Hey guys, welcome back to Sir and Effie's channel. Today we're going to be doing slime. We have glue, big bottle of glue, and we have little glue. Yes. And we have this is magical glue. And this is baby oil. I'm going to be using paint. I'm going to be using a greenish blue paint in my slime. Slime activator. Slime activator. This is some more PVA glue. It's also coloring glitter glue. It's going to be so awesome, guys. So let's get started.
He's hiding, but what I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is? The king I see is high.
Thank you, Effie, for opening. And we are going to get messy in this video, guys. Baby oil to put in my slime, and then when my sister's finished, we will switch. This is so amazing. Feels really thick. Oh, my arms are getting tired, guys. What about you when you make slime? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is so fun, guys. Oh my arms. Now we are gonna add in the paint. I'm gonna make my name. Oopsie. Oh yeah. I made my name. I'm gonna make. I'm messing up my name. It doesn't matter because I'm making slime. I'm done with mine. Oh, done. I put an axe. Now am I done? Wait, we're gonna mix it. It's falling. What? Oh no. I gotta go in. Oopsie. It feels so nice. Oh my days. My hands are so messy, guys. This is the best thing of my life. I did that one. Now I'm gonna keep going as well. There you go. Now we are going to share this. Beep. There you go. It might be slippery. Thank you. I'm gonna add a little bit more than thank you. That's the last bit. Now we're gonna mix it in again. I'm gonna use my hands. Look, guys. Oh my goodness, look. It's almost fine. I'm using mine with this. I don't want to get my hands so sticky. This is fun. I love the sound of it. Look at this, guys. Mine is turning into slime. But I don't know if it's working. It feels like we added too much. Thank you, Effie. Add a lot. Our slime is too sticky, so we add in baking soda. Yes, what Effie said. This is still sticky, guys. Effie, you just made me. Now look at me, guys. I got a little bit in my hair. Oh, it feels so good. Hi, nice to meet you. Mine is so sticky. Oh, look at Effie's. It looks like it's working. Look at this side. Now look at this sound. And then hear this sound. Sounds disgusting. But Effie, not me. Hello, Dr. Smile friend. Look at my mom's. How am I doing? Okay, not. If you got more space than me, okay, you go over. Look at mine. So guys, this is fail. I'm
Get in there, sir.
I'm tired of making slime. I think you're gonna do one little bit and then make it into a big slime thing. We're gonna see if the shaving cream can stop it to get sticky. Yeah. I think. Let me shake mine really good. My miniatures. There. It's like we're making fluffy slime. And my mom's hands are too slippery to hold the camera. Oh. Look at this. I made this slime. This is an epic fail. But this is not an epic fail. This is an epic fail. This is an epic good fail. I made fluffy slime, guys. Look at the mask. That's my sister's mask. But look how much mask I did. Not even. I think I almost added it to mine. Be careful. Look at mine, guys. Yeah, so slimy that, isn't it? I pour it so bad. It's gonna be more stickier, Effie. Whatever. We'll be back to show you how to restore sticky slime. Because this is too, and I mean too sticky because because it's a mess. But look at my mess. This is strange. What? Look, guys. Not the hair. This is gonna hurt when we peel it off. Yeah. I mixed some of mine. This was our epic failure, guys. I hope you guys liked it.